Hello everyone, welcome to Blanca's Cocina. Today we're going to be making vegan fluffy pancakes. You will start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and the lighting is going to get a little wonky, but it goes back to normal. Half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Then you want to mix all your dry ingredients with a whisk or a spatula, a fork, anything that you have available. And you're going to get started with your wet ingredients. You need 2 cups of almond milk, two tablespoons of coconut oil, you will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 2 tablespoons of agave syrup. You want to whisk that up, and you're going to slowly add this mix into the dry ingredients. And yes, you can use a hand mixer or any kind of mixer that you have, but my mom did want to show that this recipe can be completed without a mixer. You will just have to have a lot of patience and elbow grease. I did take her about, I'm gonna say like 2 minutes to whisk this up and make sure that all the lumps were gone. Of course, I did fast forward all of this, but this is it, guys. This is the recipe. You want to wait for this mix to have little bubbles on the top once you have mixed everything, and it will let you know that it is ready to be put on the pan. My mom did grease this up with coconut oil to make sure the pancakes were not sticking. And this makes about 8 to 10 big pancakes. As you can see, they are pretty big on the plate. And this setting it up, we did add compote to the top of the pancakes. If you do want to see that recipe, you can just let us know in the comments and we'll make sure to post it up. And if you do make this recipe, make sure to tag us on your post. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.